Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to return a Savana product and explain the return policy and customer service process. Step 1. Go to the official Savana website and log into your account. Step 2. Click on orders and find the product that you want to return. Step 3. Select return item and choose a reason for your return. Step 4. Savana may provide a return label or pickup instructions depending on your location. Step 5. Pack the item securely, either drop it off at the nearest courier or wait for pickup. Step 6. Once Savana receives the product, your refund will be processed within 7 to 14 business days. Now let's talk about the Savana's return policy. Return window. You must initiate a return within 7 to 15 days of receiving your item, depending on the product category. Condition of items. Products must be unused, unwashed, and in original packaging. Tags and receipts should be intact. Non-returnable items. Some items like undergarments, custom items, or clearance sale items are non-refundable unless defective. Lastly, refund method. Refunds are usually returned to your original payment method. In some cases, store credit may be offered. So, for any return-related questions, you can contact Savannah Customer Support via live chat, email, or their hotline found on their website. Their support is available during business hours and usually replies within 24 hours. So, if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.